Explore retro gaming on iPhone with Delta Emulator. Play classics from Game Boy to Super Nintendo. Let's download and install it on your iPhone. Download the Delta Emulator on your iPhone. Tap the Get icon and verify your identity via Face ID or Touch ID. That's it. You're all set. Now, it's time to configure the settings for optimal gameplay. Launch the Delta Emulator app on your iPhone. Press the settings icon from the top left corner. Here, you can allot a custom controller for up to 4 players. Check out all the pre-installed controller skins. Pick one that suits your taste. Adjust the opacity of the controller using the slider. Enable the Respect Silent mode if you want no game sound when your device is in silent mode. Turn on buttons and control sticks if you're a fan of haptic feedback. Select Service. Enable syncing to sync your games, save data, states, and cheats across devices. You can also set up home screen shortcuts if desired. Finally, enable context menu previews to preview games and save states when using the context menus. Once set, tap Done to conclude the process. After this, it's time to load and play your favorite games. I prefer downloading game ROMs from lategames.net. Link in description. Choose a platform that suits your interest. Select a game ROM of your choice. Scroll down and tap Save Game. Wait as the ROM downloads on your device. Open the Files app and locate the downloaded file. Tap the same to unzip the game ROM. Now, launch the Delta Emulator on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon from the top right corner. Choose the Files option. Navigate to the folder where you've downloaded the game ROMs. Select the unzipped files of the game and tap Open from the top right corner. Wait for a few moments as the games are imported into Delta Emulator. Once successfully imported, you can start playing the games as you desire. The Delta Emulator supports a wide variety of classic games. Don't limit yourself to a specific genre or platform. Explore different games to discover hidden gems and expand your gaming horizons. It has a vibrant online community where users can connect, share game recommendations, and discuss tips and tricks. Joining the community allows you to stay up to date with the most advanced developments and make the most out of the emulator. If the Delta Emulator crashes frequently, try closing other background apps, restarting your iPhone, or reinstalling the emulator. Not all games may run perfectly on the Delta Emulator. If you encounter compatibility issues, try updating the emulator to the latest version or consult the online community for possible solutions. If you are using an external controller and experiencing connectivity issues, ensure that the controller is properly paired with your iPhone and that the Delta Emulator recognizes it. The Delta Emulator also supports multiplayer functionality, enabling you to connect with friends and enjoy multiplayer games together. In case you ever want to delete a game ROM from Delta Emulator, launch the Delta Emulator. Press and hold the game you want to delete. Hit the Delete option from the pop-up menu. Choose the Delete Game option. To be thorough, head to the folder where the game ROM was downloaded. Delete the same from your device. And you're done. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.